welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the stunning 2026 Mazda CX-30, a crossover that combines elegant design, innovative technology, and thrilling performance. The front of the 2026 Mazda CX-30 features Mazda's signature Kodo design philosophy, blending simplicity with elegance. The updated grille has a sleeker appearance, while the sharp LED headlights now integrate Mazda's new digital lighting technology, ensuring excellent visibility and a striking visual presence. At the rear, the 2026 Mazda CX-30 continues to impress with redesigned LED taillights that wrap seamlessly into the tailgate. The chrome accents and dual exhaust tips add a touch of sophistication, while the slightly elevated bumper gives it a rugged crossover vibe. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that exudes luxury and craftsmanship. The 2026 Mazda CX-30 features high-quality materials like leather and brushed aluminum accents, paired with soft touch surfaces. The minimalist dashboard houses a 12.3-inch touchscreen display, seamlessly integrated with Mazda's next-generation infotainment system. Under the hood, the 2026 Mazda CX-30 offers multiple powertrain options. The base model features a 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine, delivering 190 horsepower for a smooth and responsive drive. While Mazda hasn't revealed the official price yet, we expect the 2026 CX-30 to start at around $27,000 for the base model, with the fully loaded hybrid version reaching up to $35,000.